Welcome back to another Dollar General haul. Yes, so I got some more fall stuff, and this is the guy I want to share with you guys first. He is this awesome stuffed scarecrow. He's a door hanger, and he has a really tall orange hat. He was $6, and has a sunflower and some leafage there. Very cute hat. Button eyes and the nose, a lot of little details. He has like a orange scarf even, straw hair. How adorable. And I cannot believe he was $6. That's a better shot of him here at this angle. How adorable. I am so stoked for fall. I'm loving the weather change, and the leaves are falling, the trees are turning. Getting excited. And fall is my favorite time of year. So look at that guy. He's so cute. Angle change here. And a couple of other, or actually I did get a few more fall things. I didn't get many things, but I still wanted to share my finds. So I got this pot holder, and it says "Bless this home," as if I needed any more pot holders or dish towels. I just cannot help myself. I use them in the kitchen as like decor. I've also in the past done DIYs with them, and it's good to have an abundance on hand. So, because they make really good gifts when you make them out of little dish towel angels and stuff. Like, yes. So I got this, and to go with that, I got the sunflower kitchen towel. Now this will definitely be used as a decor item because I'm not a big fan of the microfibery towel for like doing dishes and stuff. So this is definitely going to be for decor. And then I was in the dollar aisle, and they had some fall stuff there as well, their deals aisle. And I picked up this hand soap, and what adorable packaging that is. And it's Autumn Breeze hand soap, 12 ounces. Very cute packaging. I think this will actually make a good gift in a basket with like some fall candles and waxes. Maybe like a whole theme. You get where I'm going with this? Like how cute. That's an entire like kitchen like little set here. Like, yeah. So I have ideas. So I'm excited to start using this. And a little side note, it does appear to be a little liquidy, and the scent is not super strong. It does smell good. I can't pinpoint the exact scent. It smells good, and honestly I'm in love with the packaging. So they had some body washes for fall. Yes, so I got this body wash, and this is from someone I've never heard of this brand, but Ashley Bell Collection. And this is Cinnamon Pumpkin Pie Moisturizing Body Wash. Look at the adorable cute packaging. This is 22 fluid ounces for $1. This smells absolutely divine. It smells just like pumpkin pie, actually. A really good deal for 22 ounces, and it only being $1. The last fall item I have from Dollar General is actually a candle. And I know I keep saying I'm not going to purchase candles, but I do typically like how these burn in jars like this. So I did get their Perfect Harvest Blueberry Pumpkin Pancakes. This smells so good. $5, 3 wicks, I believe. Yep. And yes, it just smells so good. The pancakes there, the pumpkins there, the blueberries there, and it's not like super bam in your face, but you can tell the different notes. And I assume this is probably gonna have a pretty good throw, and I am excited about this candle. They had so many. They had like pumpkin glazed donut, they had maple pecan, they had a ton of different scents, but I was really drawn to the blueberry one. And these remind me of the Bath and Body Works candles, 14 ounce candle for $5. I did pick up some makeup, just a couple things, but now I wanted to share with you a quick sale item. So my mom picked me up this. She found this at Walmart. Hard Candy Just Glow, the 24K Gold Highlighter. These retail for like $6 to $8. I can't remember exactly the price. It was marked down to $3 because I can see it on the other tag, and then it was marked down to 50 cents, you guys. So be on the lookout. Hard candy is going on clearance. I am excited about this trio here, and I'm excited that my mom only paid 50 cents for it as well, and I wanted to share this good deal with you guys. And hopefully this means we're getting ready to get some new hard candy items because they're clearing the shelves. All my stores, I never could find this particular palette. And yesterday I saw it at the store. They only had like the cool one and the nude one. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. A bunch of you have mentioned these to me. And I picked up Rose. They had Rose. And I am a big fan of the other Rose palette they've done. And I hate to even say this, but I'm pretty sure that it has some similar shades in here to that other palette, but that's okay. This was only $3, and I thought this would be a perfect palette to start transitioning into fall makeup, but using an affordable eyeshadow palette doing so. So I was super excited to pick up the Rose eyeshadow palette to do some looks for you guys. I did find some new LaColors lip glosses, and their lip glosses usually are not that sticky. If a gloss is sticky, like I literally, no joke, I own like 3 glosses in my whole entire collection because I'm just not a fan of gloss. But if it's not sticky, I can deal. And this was such a beautiful shade. Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. This was $2, and it's in Heavenly. Pinky nude with all that beautiful shimmer in there. I'm excited to try this out. I will say that most of these glosses that say holographic at the store, the only thing holographic about them is their wording and a few little embellishments on the tube. These are like duochrome glosses, but no hating on LaColors. I love them. It's just these are not holographic, but neat concept. So yes, I'm excited. Paired well together as well, so I was really excited when I spotted these two together, and they had 2 other holographic glosses to choose from in the store as well. So that is my haul, my Dollar General fall haul and makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls. Check the description box for additional links to other Dollar General hauls, Walmart hauls, DollarTree stuff. Don't forget to check out my recipes as well. There's so many, you guys. And stay tuned for lots more content. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.